everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonders of Creations. Hope you all are doing great and safe at home, and I'm back with a DIY gift idea video. Hope this video is really helpful. So without any further ado, let's get started. So our first idea is a pop-up cube. For this all we need is a cardstock, a really good cardstock. This is a cardstock which I usually use. You can get this from my store. The link is in the description box, so please check out that. Well, today I will be replacing this cardstock with a other sheet because cardstock is not available with every one of you, right? But for this idea, cardstock is really very important. So instead of a cardstock, I will be using a thick sheet. You can find such thick sheets from paper files or any booklet. I got this from a booklet which is laying around my home. This has a really good thickness. Well, why I'm actually mentioning this is because for this particular idea you need a thick sheet or thick card. So don't simply use a paper because paper won't gonna work. Well, the size of the card is clearly mentioned on the screen. So keeping the longer side, divide the sheet into 3 equal parts of 7 cm. So now, keeping the smaller side, divide the sheet into 5 parts. So point at 7 cm, 1.5 cm, 1.5 cm, 7 cm, 1.5 cm as shown in the video. So now I have shifted the whole process on a white sheet because my cardstock was in blue color. So camera actually not focusing the points, and I thought it would be a bit difficult to you guys to understand. So I thought it would be really easy for you if I do this on white sheet. So don't get confused. All the process which I will be doing on this paper will be actually done on your cardstock. Well, I guess you got my point, right? And also make sure that whenever I say a cardstock or a thick sheet, both refers a thick sheet or a cardstock. So don't get confused. So well, now cut out the shaded region and you will left with such shape. So now it's time to score the card. In the world of painting, scoring refers to the process of making a crisp in a paper so that it will be easier to fold the card. So scoring is nothing but folding the card as shown in the video. So I am doing this with the help of a scale because it's a paper, but in the case of thick sheet it's not that easy as a paper. So you need an old pen. You can use an old pen tip as a scoring tool, or you can use a scoring tool or a scoring board. So now, observing carefully, cut out some triangles as shown in the video. So now carefully cut some more triangles at the corner so that this will be help you in forming the cube. So the whole process and the cutting will be done over cardstock or a thick sheet. So we need 2 such pieces. So make 2 such pieces following the same method. So once you are done, it's gonna look something like this. So here are the 2 pieces of cardstocks. So well, here I have actually forgot to tell you. So you need to cut one more set of triangles as you can see. So this step was haven't done with our paper. So keep this point noted. Arrange them in this way. If you are using a pattern paper, then you need to follow this step. So this is the front section and this is the back section. So what actually it means is the back section goes inside the cube. So now carefully fold the sheet as shown in the video. Fold the sheet as shown in the video and make a small hole using a pen or a needle, and do follow the same with the other one. So next we need some rubber bands. So these are the 2 different sizes which are available in market. So if you are using a bigger one, you can just simply cut the one end and you can join this to the card. But if you are using a smaller ones, then you need to join 3 rubber bands together as shown in the video. So pass this rubber band through the hole and secure them as shown in the video. So here you can place a heavy object so that the card will not move. And once you're done, it's going to look something like this. And now carefully observe and glue the sheet as shown in the video. And please, so you can use a sticky tape or glue. Here I'm using some glue, and if you are using glue, then please make sure that you wait at least 10 minutes after applying glue, because glue take really long time to dry. So leave it for a while, placing a heavy object on top of it. So now carefully observe the folding and glue this section as shown in the video. So as I said before, leave this part, placing a heavy object on top of it, and do repeat the same on the other side. So instead of a heavy object, you can also place some paper clips as I have done here. So it's totally up to you. You can place a heavy object or some paper clips. And we are almost done. Our cube is ready to pop up, and ta-da! So we are done. We just left to glue this section. So glue this section using some glue. So here I'm using some hot glue just to speed up the process. And voila, we are done making the cube, and decorate it using some design papers, color papers. It's totally up to you. You can be creative in decorating this. You can even add some pictures. So I have decorated this cube using some color papers and design papers. If you are looking for some design papers, then check out my online store. The link is in the description box, and we have tons of collection of color papers starting from ₹99. So yeah, please check out that. So now I will show you how to fold this cube. So this is the diagonal cut, and this is the diagonal line. So press this diagonal cut something like this, and voila, the cube just turned into a card. So it's time to decorate it and present it to your loved ones. You can present this in different ways. For example, here I'm using a piece of ribbon. I will wrap it around it, and I will add some elements into that, and when they open it, the cube will pop up and they get surprised. So in the same way, you can keep this flat sheet of cube inside a book or an envelope. When they open it, they will get surprised. So you can use such tag sheets to decorate it. So you can get this from my store. The link is in the description box, so please check out that. So here you can actually add some notes. So you can add some notes, wishes, or you can add some pictures. It's totally up to you. Be creative. And here is the final result. Hope you like it. So let's move to our second idea. So for this, take a piece of paper and fold it in half, something like this. And now fold this paper in a zigzag way, something like this. So here is the close look. And once you're done, open the paper something like this and fold it as shown in the video. So cut out some hearts from a color paper. Place them as shown in the video. So this idea is a kind of mini heart work. So these small hearts work as pages, and here I'm using two big size hearts to cover this heart. So one is from color paper, another one is out of design sheet. And once you're done, secure this with some glue as shown on the video. So here I'm using some fabric glue because the fabric glue is a bit thick than the normal paper glue. So it's totally optional, you can go with any kind of glue. So you can decorate this in different ways. For example, you can decorate these pages with some photos instead of writing a note, or you can write a quote or a note. It's totally up to you. So you can be creative. So be creative in decorating this. Close our mini notebook using a ribbon. This idea is totally last minute gift idea. Hope this video is helpful, and if you like my videos, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Wonders of Creations. And I'm signing out. Bye bye. See you in my next video.